to. Hintay pa tayo? Ayun, may sing-sing po tayo. Lagyan natin tayo. Thank you. Para. Good morning, greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. So, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Meron po kakontra sa wedding? Kung wala po, let us go. Tayo na kayong dalawa. Hawak kaming kamay na. Oh. Meluwin. Meluwin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? John Michael, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? So, to the both of you, you take upon yourselves to the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? We do. Okay. John Michael, will you have Meluwin to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Okay. Meluwin, will you have John Michael to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay, yung sing na. Pakilabas na po. Follow after me, John Michael. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. Mauna ka. Ayan. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, shot mo na. Ganun din lang, follow after me, Meluwin. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Okay, shot mo na. Sige, harap naman kayo dito muna sa parents mo, Meluwin. O ano naman pong payo at wish natin po sa ikakasal, ma'am, sir?
Anak na dyan, anak na mili. Kalau yang kasawa kayo, bilang ama yun. Daw maksudnya yung tujuan mati. Kalau up bisa yung bilangan kayo bilang kita sama bilangan. Tujuan yang tidak beringan lah. Kita lagi di tempat-tempat itu. Salamat.
Ma'am, sir, ano naman po ang payo natin, wish sa ikakasal?
Ay, parang sila magpapakatay sila. Ito lang sila ng kaya parang ginahaw.
I wish you happy to live life for all. Sana malay mo ang iyong asawa magpakailan natin.
Sarap sama kayo sa likod. Or ninong-ninang, ha? Ano naman po payo natin? Wish sa ikakasal? Sige po.
Sabi ko man, agin inayap kayo, maging na natin itong pagbiag yung mga nagsisila. Hindi Diyos, Inumin na kayo ng habang buhay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meloin and John Michael, for choosing me as one of your ninang. Yes, I am ready to guide you whatever circumstances that's come in your life. Regardless the advices of your parents, both parents. So, thank you, John Michael and Meloin.
Thank you po.
Michael and Melon, thank you ta nakikita kami ng ilang pinunan mo. May bagak lang, Melon, no kasatnong may respeto ni Mami, dubliyong titi ng respeto ang pinakatukangang kasta ka may dalong, Michael. Itatang mo tatami, classmate ko nga paret ni Mylon, kas di ka dito, panagin inayat yo, kin ingga na kumagdagdos.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Ang payo ko lang sa inyo mag-asawa is magmaalam kayo. Then, respetuhin niyo ang bawat isa sa inyo at gawin yung sentro ang Diyos sa inyong buhay. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Good morning mga mare, kumare. And
Morning.
congratulations and best wishes mga anak. And congratulations to both parents. First and foremost, just put Jesus Christ our Lord into your lives. And then, maganda ang magiging buhay ninyo. Thank you very much.
Good morning, kakasat, mga mare. Good morning, Melot and John Miguel. Congratulations to the parents. Salamat. Iwanan mo. Kasi nga, inalalakang pinilakay, nag-inom, na di pa may pamanang Melot. Padatang ang pinispi, asawa ta. Di mang bibiyag, asawa nga ito. Kasi nga nakabalin nga ayat ni Apo. Si Apo na ta nakasito. Uri, kasi kasanin ko mga abak lang kariyan.
Sabay ako. Meron pa po? Okay. Sige, harap na kayong dalawa. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya, John Michael, both hands. Meloin, what is your vows naman to your husband? Sabihin mo na sa kanya from the heart. Meron ka bang nasa phone? Tali mo ko din.
John Michael, today I'm not only married to you, I'm also married with you. Your ambition and your beautiful soul. I support you in all your
Ito naman, John Michael, ano naman gusto mo sabihin to your wife?
I've learned that love is not just a feel. It's a choice and commitment. Today, I choose to love you, not just for who you are today, but all that will become.
Thank you. Both hands pa rin. Hawak. So follow after me, John Michael. I hereby take you, Meloin,
I hereby take you, Mary,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
one of the heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness and for your health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Follow me, follow after me, follow after me also, Melvin. I hereby take you, John Michael,
I here to take you, John Michael,
to be my husband,
be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
from this and
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for rich and poor,
in sickness and in health,
for rich or for sickness,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish
until we be parted by death.
until we depart of life.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn
Okay. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted to and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay,
That's the right.
you may now kiss them. Nak na mo ano? Lima na rin ako. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture tayo. Sa gitna. Ikaw mo di iba.
Hindi na ko magkahitid na.
Steady.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, next.
Tatlo kayo lang.
Ay, okay, ano?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, steady. Sapa po. Ready? 1, 2. Okay.
Ninong-ina. Mga ninong.
Boleh, tapi mati sama kalian. Tadi kita Tulong mo lagi ako. Sige lang, picture niya. Sige pa lang sama.
Pero ka ba sa whiskey?
Pwede masakit ka. Oh, ready? Gerak. Okay. Oh, ready makita amin yun. Oh, ready? Siya, dikit kayo ba siya? Lagi bag, ikat na pala, lagi di ba?
Ready? 1, 2, steady. Oh, ninang lang, ninang.
Ninang po, steady po, ninang. Steady po yung mga ninang. Steady po mga ninang.
Sige, ninong next, ninong. Ngayon, mali makita ni Madrid eh. Sinukat ba? Okay, ready? Okay na. Sumatay ka na ito. Sabay sumarbo eh. Okay, ready? Sir, may ka. 1, 2, steady. Okay, ninong.
Okay po, ninong po. Mga ninong.
Tapos, di parents lang to.
Mga ninong po.
Okay, wala na? Ready?
Ayaw nun sa decor nila. Nagbibenta ng sili.
Compress po. Ready? Okay, steady. Okay.
Okay po.
Ay,
Parents po.
sandali lang.
Ay.
Ikaw po, masunod na.
Parents daw po. Parents daw po.
Pagkas man dyan tayo. Okay, ready? Sir, magic ka soon. Okay, ready? 1, 2, steady. Okay. Tapos duet. Ready? Sit. Mali mo na, position na. Sir, Madam J, Ma'am J, likod. Yan. Okay, ready? Steady. Okay.
When?
Tingnan po dito.
Sir,